Hello ladies and gents, welcome back to Damon Does It. Today we're going to be cleaning the headlights of our 2024 Maverick with Spray-Away Glass Cleaner. I purchased this at Costco, 3-pack for $8. However, you can find them on Amazon as well. Best thing about this is it's foaming. We're going to start with the dirtiest sections. Now to do that, I like to use a shop towel. Just work it in lightly.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way
The advantage of using shop towels is we can cut them.
never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really
Spray directly on.
control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay.
That way you can get into all the grooves here.
Be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and make a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long.
Flip it over. Just continue going to all the grooves. Fit nicely in there. That's where the bugs like to hide. And this is just maintenance. This is about 50 miles for me. If you wish, you can also use Quick Detailer after this. And if you like for the larger areas, you can use your terry cloth. And we're going to remove any on the body. Don't worry about ruining your paint. If it's protected, you're good. If you have any bugs in the grill, you can go ahead and do that as well. I would suggest following this up with some Quick Detailer. I'd be interested to know if you already use Spray-Away and also if you use waterless or water car washes. Myself, I prefer both.